how do I delete these empty cells without losing data? Hi, I'm Josephine, and today I'll be showing you how to delete these empty cells without losing data. And we will accomplish this by using the helper function. The helper function countblank. So here in my column call function, I would type equal to, then type count. You see the countblank function, select it. Then you go to the row, highlight all the entire row and press enter. See, this countblank function has counted all empty cells on each row. Here is 2 because there are 2 empty cells here. Here is 5 because there are 5 empty cells. And the ones without empty cells are numbered, are given 0. So now what we are going to do is I will activate the filter function. And to do this, you press Ctrl+Shift+L. This activates the filter function. Then you press on the column with the function, and then we select the number of empty cells we want to delete. And then we select the here 0 here is yes that there is no any row. If you want to delete rows that have empty cells that are 0, then you select that. If you want to delete rows that have 5 empty cells, you select that. In my case, I want to delete the rows that are empty. There are those with the 5 empty cells. Then I select OK. See, these are the rows within my data set that are empty. Now to delete them, I will highlight them. Delete them, I'll simply highlight these cells, and I'll press Ctrl-. This will delete all the empty cells. Then I select again, I click on a cell on my data set, then I will press Ctrl+Shift+L. This would remove the filter function, and then I will now have all my cells. And then I will now have all my data without empty cells, especially those that are empty rows. I don't know if for any reason you want to delete these ones, you simply activate the filter function again, and then you select the 2, then you can delete them on the row. Remember, you end up losing the data on the particular row. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, kindly subscribe and